Howdy gamers, how's it going? Jester back at it again with another dogshit video, but this time uncomfortably looking straight into your guys' fucking eyes. So, as you know, I've had a pretty bad problem with talking about doing things instead of actually doing them. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this, which I originally intended on making a video talking about wanting to do this instead of actually doing that, but at least this time I realized how fucking retarded it was. Now, if you went back and looked at all this stuff that this channel has went through, the first error was commentary, which in my opinion was the biggest sack of shit it went through, and that fizzled out pretty quickly. But for about a year and a half, for a second era, I actually live streamed, and I spent a lot of my time just fucking gaming, talking to the fucking chat, and making shitty Twitch highlights. And it never really went that well, but I had a really good fucking time doing it. And so instead of now sacrificing all my free time on a lot of stuff like that, hopefully what I'm doing now with programming and these devlogs, it'll allow me to get out of blue collar hell, even if these videos get no fucking views, which I don't care about. I'm just making stuff I enjoy. Who gives a shit? So just to start off, let's go ahead and get into Python syntax.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Howdy gamers, so just to begin, what I'm going to be using to learn and refresh myself on some of the Python syntax is I'm actually going to use the Google class on it, because part of me for some reason finds this fucking funny, just that Google has this, and it's sort of nice. It seems so, from reading on it, it seems like something that they would use to just have a quick refresher, something they would use as some sort of training exercises in 2 days for a working day for them. So what I'm going to hope I can do is get this done in a week, because I'm currently spending about 3 hours every day working on this stuff. And then I've also got to give myself a little bit of extra time because I am a fucking retarded person. And accounting for all that, I'm going to hope that this will be good. It's also just fairly basic, so that way I can pretty much immediately start moving into stuff that's interesting. I presume that this first video is going to be boring and dog shit, which will be awesome, because that'll give me time to actually learn what the fuck I'm doing. Because these are going to be more proper Jester videos that I'm used to making. This is going to be hopefully exiting out of my habits of shit posting. So yeah, I'll be back when I have something interesting with this. I plan on just compulsively recording when I can think of something funny. So, I also feel like I need to defend myself before people start going for my fucking throat. You guys are probably going to see VS Code in the background. You're going to see that I'm on Windows. I have developed some people because I have a habit of being a cunt, that I have usually don't even have a Windows install, and I would not be using Microsoft products like this. However, I'm kind of starting off simple, so I could be doing stuff like using Vim, and being on Arch and like working primarily in the terminal, but I feel like what this is going to allow me at first, even though I'm comfortable with Bash and all that, that this is going to allow me to have just something that will not only be easier for people to watch, but something that will actually allow me to focus more on the code I'm writing instead of my dumb moral agenda. So hopefully you can get upset in the comments and it'll drive up the fucking engagement. So yeah, cool. All right, I'm doing the most basic shit and I'm already pissed off. I hardly know how fucking, like, I'm using the CMD, which is just like a shitty terminal. And all I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to run this file, and Google says it should run, but then I'm getting thrown back this fucking error, like it doesn't know what the fuck is going on, and that there's some sort of syntax error that's not even allowing it to run. What in the fuck is wrong with it? Google, are you retarded? Am I retarded? I don't know what the fuck is wrong. Right, what do I do here? Do I need to type this, and then type my name Jeff, and will it run then? No, it didn't fucking run. What is wrong with this code? So all this is... It should be if you give it, like, God, I don't know Python that well, but kind of if you give it a name, like you enter into it when you run the program, that it should say hello and then the whatever you typed in. And if not, it should default into saying hello world. But instead, when I run the program, it tells me to go fuck myself. Is this the problem? No, not fuck cunt. What? It didn't even tell me I needed to do that. Oh, so it doesn't say Jeff, and if I say, it only prints hello. What is going on? Why do I feel like the first step of this fucking thing? Okay, all the step I'm supposed to be doing right now is supposed to be just checking if Python works on my computer. Invalid argument, dickhead. Missing parentheses and call to print. Did you mean hello name? Oh, I'm a retarded person. It wants this, right? Oh my god. Okay, I fixed it. Hold on, wait. My name Jeff. Hello, my. Oh, it only takes the first word. Okay, hello, Jeff. Am I retarded? Is it something to do with the IDE I'm using? Is it something to do with the code I copy and pasted? Why did I start off this fucking thing that Google has by trying to bug fix their fucking program? I'm a retarded person, all right? It should have taken me half a second to realize what was wrong. It just says that this file is supposed to test if it's working, right? But you dickheads forgot parentheses in the fucking thing to run a print statement. Fuck you, Google. Eat shit and die. Yeah, fuck Google, honey. All right, I'm fuming. I'm fuming. Why did I get to like the third fucking page and to the like, hey, yeah, we're using the version of Python people stopped using 10 fucking years ago. Yeah, go fuck yourself. This entire course is for Python 2. Eat shit, nerd. What? Holy fuck, this is garbage. Fuck you, Google. Eat shit. I need to find something new. I don't even know if this is gonna stay in the video. What was this? I just read through garbage. I was a bit confused. In Python 2, though, you still put parentheses. You still put parentheses around a print statement. The fuck is wrong with you, Google? What is this? These poor fucking Google interns getting dragged in have to go through this shit. They can't even yell and call Google a dickhead, then they'll lose their fucking job. God, those poor bastards. Alright, I need to find something new. Fuck. Alright, I didn't plan on showing this till towards the end of the video, but holy fucking shit. I was trying to find ways to learn Python through like these websites, and oh my god, they are fucking garbage. Alright, why can no one teach code well? I don't give a shit. I'm skipping this step. I don't fucking care. I'm gonna immediately start doing something entirely different than what the rest of this video was about, okay? I think that's maybe the true heart in programming, is immediately doing dumb shit. So, fuck Python for now. What I planned on doing was learning Python syntax, and once I do that, I would be able to work on my website, which was the next to do thing, which I was going to make with Vue. Vue is like a framework you use to make a website. And I looked around and that one seemed decent. I can't be fucked to do that much research about different frameworks. But regardless, I'm going to skip this Python syntax stuff. I think I already know enough about programming, and even though I'm kind of rusty, I know enough about the syntax that who fucking cares. I'm going to skip it because I'm pissed off. So we're just going to label this as done. And as you guys know, this is the Trello. This is what I'm using to kind of keep myself organized. If at any point in the video you see me pull this up, feel free to pause, and that will allow you to see what I plan on working on next that I'm not spoken about, and also what I kind of plan on talking about towards the beginning of the video. I suppose now it's off to immediately doing something opposite of what I just wasted all my fucking time doing, and I'm going to now be starting to make the website. Fuck me. Okay, so this is the Vue website. I know some computer science stuff, a very tiny amount. What I have more understanding is some of the more mathematical heavy stuff, just basic syntax. I have some understanding of Java. I understand some database stuff. What I know fucking nothing about, and this is immediately what I'm getting to, is some sort of resolved around networking, like actual dickhead. Come here. Like actual, you know, computers talking to other computers, not programmers talking to other programmers. And also, yeah, I know nothing about websites. What you can do is you can use these frameworks, and that pretty much helps you so you don't have to write everything from scratch. And I'm going to be using Vue. Now, why am I using Vue? I don't really fucking know. It seems like it's the most popular one, and it seems that its tools have what's best. To be honest, I'm mostly picking this out of random. I can't be fucked to really look at different frameworks. So we're just going to go ahead and start working on the website. And if you're ever curious about the website, the URL is jester.center. I really could not get a good URL name. I tried to get like jester.something not retarded, couldn't get it. And I feel like jesterjones.gg or something would be too much. So jester.center is what I went with. It's not even loading right now. Dickhead, please load. Oh my god, dude, I don't know how to log into my Namecheap. That's what I bought this with. It says forget username or password. I just need to be reminded what my username is, and the only option is to reset my fucking password. I'm gonna throw a goddamn hissy fit. Everything's going wrong. Alright, I've been in it for like 30 minutes now, and everything is going to shit. No, dickhead, don't lock my account. Alrighty, so this is the idea. This is very pretty. So there's going to be a couple sections of the website. The first home, it's just gonna say my name really big, like real pretty and shit. and then it's gonna have like my videos and like whatever most recent video is like a big section of the thing. And then also I want to have a section of the website where it links, this could also maybe be on the homepage, I don't know, where it links my I post shit here Discord channel over to the website, so that way it kind of automatically syncs in between it. This would just be nice. That way I know there are some people who, for privacy reasons, try not to use Discord or try to use it through whatever fucking linking dog shit they have through bots. So this will allow that, because I have a weird obsession with my knockoff Twitter bullshit. This one, projects, doesn't really fucking matter yet, but just for long term, once I actually have projects that I've developed, and I know how to use Git, and I want to be a nerd, I could link some of the shit I've worked on in that, and then contact info, which will just be my Discord and my email. Maybe I'll put my personal address in there, who the fuck knows. So yeah, that's all I'm kind of thinking of. So I'm just kind of Googling shit, and trying to figure it out. And I'm just kind of like watching random dog ass YouTube videos. So let's hope I get this figured out. This is going to be a fucking struggle. Uh, all right, slide update. I can kind of fucking hack now. So I can put whatever I want into this thing right here, and it prints it out. I just type gaming. I can save this. Boom, look at that. It pops over here. All right. Fuck you. Save. Holy shit, look at that. Yeah, I can fucking hack now. Fuck you. I'm just kind of fucking with shit. It makes it more fun. Like, I think when you do a tutorial, it should be really incentivized that you don't need to put whatever they asked you to put for their information. And like, let's say, for example, you're trying to make a website and learn JavaScript. You can really put whatever text and pictures you want. So like, for example, this video is pretty fucking awesome. But, you know, with this guy's example, he just wants it to look like... Shit, what am I doing? Fuck, what's going on? I broke it. Fuck. What do I do? Let's get this out of here. There we go. He wants it to kind of just look like this. But like there really is nothing stopping you from just changing shit around. It makes it a lot more fun. Bam. There you go. I'm a fucking hacker. So I think I have gotten a impressively little amount of work done. I keep kind of trying things out until I figure out that they are fucking retarded. And I got another one. This guy's video is really good. It's great. I followed the first like 20 minutes and I learned a little bit about like HTML, JS, JavaScript. I completed the little project he had, which pretty much just made my own version of doing this. Except for me, you know, I just changed it around just a tad so that way I was able to make it. For mine, it was just really big, and it just it was this. It just looked like this. It said "Come Goblin" because I have the maturity of a 12-year-old. So that was cool. And then he proceeded to talk about 2 hours about shit I didn't care about and I don't think I'll need. So, and I was also using JavaScript, and it was slightly concerning to me in a way that the first thing you immediately did with JavaScript is that you use something that collects people's data and does a way to, and immediately tries to utilize that to do something. You know, that's cool. So I think I'm immediately going to try to start working on implementing no framework and have my entire website be made entirely in HTML and CSS for now. Because this is a rabbit hole I really don't want to go down. I'm just going to waste a lot of time on it, and I don't think it's that relevant to the actual shit I really want to work on. And I'm kind of done, like, with this stuff. I want to get back to actual shit. So yeah, really unproductive last 2 days. Alright, so I have dug through some shit. I found one guy, other than the fact that it felt like he was trying to speed run this fucking guide. Look at me go. Look at this. How fancy that looks. Holy shit. Yeah, holy fuck. Oh, I can't click those. I should be able to click those. Yeah, fuck you. I'm actually making fucking progress right now. I figured out that I don't know if it's because of my massive ego or what about it, but anytime I try to watch someone else's guide, I just get pissed off. There was one dude who was moderately helpful, but I'm actually really starting to make progress now because I have an idea of what I want the website to look like. And instead of following some dickhead's guide on like how to learn HTML, I just like want to do a thing, then I Google how to do that thing. So I think it's generally probably a better way to learn it. Like I could look at this and be like, okay, how do I add a body paragraph? And then how do I center the body paragraph? Oh, how do I add padding to the body paragraph? How do I learn how to just fuck with CSS a little bit? Because I was kind of getting handhold earlier. So how do I figure that out myself? So I'm learning really well right now. I've been really productive like the last hour. I can like these go places. Like this actually works right now, which is cool. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna have any JavaScript at the moment. That was just another accidental waste of time, but I couldn't have seen the future that I would have not needed it. So I'm just gonna code my website for now in HTML and CSS. I'm gonna get it like fundamental shit so that way it's just like somewhat working. And it's so that way it's something I can keep updated as I work on projects, but I'm gonna kind of transition out of this pretty soon once I get a basic thing going up. All right, so the website's done, and I am not looking forward to what I have to do next. It's really bare bones, but it works. So I want this to go ahead and go to gesture.center, which means that I have to set up some like cloud server stuff. This I cunt, come here. I have 0 seconds of experience whatsoever on pretty much anything network involved, unless it's using FileZilla to edit my mod files for my Minecraft server. So I have no fucking idea what I'm doing at all. Not even a little bit. It's not even like one of those things where I've like at least heard people really talk about it before. I'm going in like a complete retard. So hopefully it's not. I'm doing pretty well on time now. I'm honestly kind of where I was hoping I would be in like a week. I thought it would take me way longer to figure out how to use a website and like learn HTML and CSS basically, but it took 2 hours. So I think I was overestimating how much of a retard I am. Hopefully this will be easy. I'm gonna use DigitalOcean, just through a random recommendation. I can't be fucked to look up different hosters, and the bit I did look into it seems decent, so fuck it. Howdy gamers. So the first 5 days of stuff ended up being over 40 minutes of edited footage. So I decided to cut it a little bit before halfway here, turn it into 2 videos. I'll kind of continue a normal format with the next one. I also decided to start naming these like they are Minecraft Let's Plays, so I hope you enjoy that too. But I'm having a really good time, especially as hectic my life has been, even this last week, which I'll talk about more in the next video. Having something to work on that to kind of drown myself in has been really nice. And I hope I can continue this long term. I appreciate you gamers. Hopefully you enjoyed this first one, and expect them to hopefully start improving a little bit as they keep going. So love you gamers. Bye. Mwah.